Why cats are North America's favorite pets. Cats are the top pets in North America. There are 73 million cats, more than dogs. 63 million. Over 30 of households own a cat. Why cats are low maintenance. They clean themselves, need little attention, and fit well in small spaces. Plus, they're playful and affectionate. This blog is laconicshort and to the point. Cats win hearts with their quiet charm. Whether you're a cat lover or just curious, it's easy to see why they're so popular. Want a cat? Maybe next time you'll join the pack.